Hey everyone! Today we're going to make a delicious tomato omelet. And the best part? Even if you've never cooked before, by the end of this video, you'll be able to make an amazing omelet all by yourself. So follow along with me step by step and don't skip any part. For this recipe, you'll need 3 ripe tomatoes, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and if you'd like a richer flavor and a deeper color, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Before we get started, let's wash our hands with soap and water. It might seem like a small thing, but it's the first step to making clean, safe food. Now rinse the tomatoes under cold running water and gently rub the surface with your hands to remove any dirt. Then pat them dry with a clean towel. Drying them helps stop them from slipping around while you're cutting them. Next, cut out the tough stem end of each tomato and chop them into bite-sized pieces, about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch or 1 to 2 centimeters. Don't chop them too large or they'll take longer to cook and your omelet won't have a smooth texture. Keep the eggs nearby, but don't crack them yet. It's always best to crack them right before you're ready to use them. Alright, everything's ready. Let's start cooking. Place a medium-sized frying pan over medium heat and let it warm up for about a minute. This helps the oil spread evenly across the pan and keeps the food from sticking. Just don't let the pan get too hot, because the tomatoes can burn quickly. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil and wait a few seconds until it heats up. It's time to add the tomatoes. Pour the chopped tomatoes into the pan and give them a gentle stir. Let them cook over medium heat for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring every minute or 2 so they don't stick. This is one of the most important steps because you want most of the extra moisture to evaporate. If you rush and add the eggs too soon, you'll end up with a watery omelet. Once the tomatoes become darker in color, shrink down, and most of their liquid has cooked away, you'll know they're ready. If you'd like your omelet to have a richer taste and a deeper color, now add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Cook it with the tomatoes for about a minute until the raw smell disappears completely. Once the paste darkens slightly and smells rich instead of raw, it's ready. Now add the salt and black pepper, then stir everything together so the seasoning is evenly mixed in. Next come the eggs. Crack each egg into a separate bowl first. That way, if one egg isn't fresh, it won't ruin the whole dish. Now pour the eggs over the cooked tomatoes. If you like a well-mixed omelet, gently stir the eggs and tomatoes together. But if you prefer visible egg yolks, don't mix them too much. From this point on, reduce the heat to low and let the eggs cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Keep the heat low, otherwise the bottom will burn while the top is still undercooked. Once the egg whites are completely set and no longer look runny or jelly-like, your omelet is almost done. Turn off the heat and let the omelet rest in the pan for about a minute. The remaining heat will finish cooking it gently while keeping it soft and tender. And that's it! Your delicious tomato omelet is ready to serve. So how do you know if you've done everything right? Your omelet should have a beautiful red-orange color. The tomatoes should be soft and fully cooked, with no excess liquid left in the pan. The egg should be fully set but still soft and tender, not dry or rubbery. When you scoop up a spoonful, everything should hold together without releasing liquid. And finally, you should be able to smell the rich aroma of cooked tomatoes, eggs, and black pepper, with no raw smell at all. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Enjoy your meal, and if you like this video, make sure to stick around for more delicious recipes in the next one.